Hi, this is Michael Summers with Summers Flooring and Design. First, I wanted to thank you for being one of our past customers. We have a 65-year history that's built on great relationships and people like you. So that's a huge, huge thing for us, and we don't want to take it for granted. So thank you very much. I wanted to talk to you real quick about maintenance. That's the thing that people kind of forget about. You're really good about remembering maintenance and other things like oil changes for your car, but when it comes to flooring, it's easy to forget, and all of a sudden 10 years has gone by. So there's several steps that we can do that that we can help out with before it gets to the full refinish part, which is kind of our last and biggest resort for maintenance. So the first thing I want to tell you about is called a deep clean. So we have a power scrubber machine that comes in. It has rollers on it and brushes that deep scrub your floor and then remove all the little things that you don't even see throughout the year. It also gives it a nice little polish. So that's step one. That's a great one. Takes a couple hours. Really inexpensive. The second one we can do is a top coat. We're basically coming in. Think of it like an oil change for your floors. We're just adding another layer of finish on, so that way it doesn't wear down to the point where it needs to be refinished. So if you start seeing spots, areas in your kitchen is where we start to see them first, because that's where all the action happens. You start seeing areas that get light or kind of gray. That's a good indicator that it's time for a top coat. So a top coat's great. It takes a couple of hours. You can be back on it the next day. Then we have the refinish option. So that's a full-blown where we sand everything down to bare wood. At that point we can change the color if you wanted to, and then we add more finish. So those are the kind of things that you need to be thinking about. Nothing to be worried about, but it's something to just keep in the back of your mind. It's an investment, and you need to maintain that investment. So give us a call. We'll come out and give you a free consultation. Sometimes I show up and look at the floors and say, these floors look great. Call me in a year, call me in 2 years. Keep doing what you're doing. Or sometimes it's, yeah, we need to get on this. So we want to be there to help that initial investment last 100+ years like it should. So give us a call or check us out on our website, summerswoodfloors.com.